When you connect an external email address, Zendesk will check to make sure it is able to receive messages from that address. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to verify that your email configuration is set up correctly. Click the product's icon and select Admin Center. In the sidebar, go to Channels, and under Talk and Email, click Email. In the Support Addresses section, review your support email addresses. Simple email forwarding setups show only one verification checkmark. Examples of these are the Zendesk support address and non-custom domain addresses such as at gmail.com or at yahoo.com. If you set up an external address with a custom domain, you will see forwarding, SPF, and DNS verification checks. The green check marks indicate that the external address you added is verified. If you encounter issues, click See Details, and then click the Verify button for each setting. Forwarding checks may take up to 48 hours to complete. Once you have green check marks next to each email address, your email channel is ready to receive support requests. Thanks for watching.